Hello and welcome to Core Finance. I'm joined by Nicole Elliott and we're going to look at the S&P. Record highs, kind of record high prints. It continues. We keep seeing the headlines, but is it going to run out of steam?
Possibly, yes. And what really caught my eye over the last couple of weeks is that different indices in the States are not making record highs. So you've got this kind of deviation. The Dow Industrials was the one that really did put on a significant higher high on Tuesday. But according to Bloomberg charts, the RSI, the Relative Strength Index on the industrials, was at its highest reading in 62 years.
Incredible.
Now, I mean, that is expensive.
Is it alarm bells somewhere are ringing?
So I immediately went to my Dow chart yesterday and this morning again. And I thought, no, there's nothing special in those candles. There's nothing going on. But then as soon as I looked at the S&P, you can see that we've actually peaked on Monday with a big black candle, which is called a bearish engulfing one, in that its body is bigger than Friday's one. Okay, you've also got a little gap between Thursday and Friday, which is not a good thing to happen at a record high. That is not good news. Okay, so anyway, so we filled the gap now, and we yesterday tested that trend line support taken from August's interim low. Now the point here is, from that low in August, you have just about, with a little sort of fiddling, you have 9 consecutive weekly rallies. And there's a thing called rule of 8, which is somewhere between 8 and 10 consecutive moves in one direction only. Watch out.
Yeah, beware.
It's about, right?
Buyer beware.
I mean, we're still way above the 50-day moving average, way above long-term trendline support, this, that and the other. But what you do have yesterday is sort of a candlestick that's known as a hanging man. This one's got rather a big head, that's the black bit, and then he's got the little
body,
sort of, hanging by a rope. In fact, on some charts also, price action on Thursday is a variation of a hanging man as well, depending if you're looking at the futures contract or the cash, which is this one here. So they're slightly different. But you've got 2 hanging men, not one, sort of bookending that central bearish engulfing. That, to me, all looks like a sort of part of a bigger pattern. Yeah, sort of a, I don't know, sort of Christmas tree, whatever, you know, not good news, good news here. Be careful.
Understood. And likewise, are you short of this, or looking to put a short on?
I'm looking to put a short on, but as I say, I don't have enough on here. Interestingly, the Russell index, that looks as if it's got already a hanging man last week. So that's also a good thing. When you're looking at charts, look at similar and related instruments and see if they're all singing from the same hymn sheet. That's what you're looking for. Some people call it fractals as well, where the micro picture, say on an hourly chart, maps into the same thing on a daily, on a weekly and on a monthly. That's precisely the sort of thing that I like to see, and then I take bigger positions.
Fantastic. Nicole, thank you very much for joining us today.